Hello guys, welcome back to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make be it $10, $5, $3, or even just 75 cents using 100% free traffic for CPA offers. So a CPA offer is an offer that pays you once someone completes a specific action. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find those CPA offers. So the reason why I don't like most CPA offers is that it's harder to get approved or to join most of the CPA networks like Max Bounty. So I like Shareasale and Impact Radius, and I'm gonna link up a video right now for Impact Radius. Go watch that video to show you how the network looks like. It's really awesome. It's another alternative for Shareasale, and it's easier to get approved. So let's say we wanted to promote this one of $5 per lead, and you make $40 for a sale once they buy. So this one gives you two opportunities to earn from your traffic, and the traffic method I'm going to be showing you is an awesome one, so stick around to the end, and I'll give you a bonus strategy as well if you stick around to the end to help you even get more traffic from these methods that I'm going to be talking about. So this method is 100% unique, and the way I'm going to be showing you is a way you haven't seen in any other video. So let's get into it. But before we get into it, please take a moment and scroll down below this video and hit the red button here that says subscribe. This is important because you will always get updates on all my future videos and any other content I post. So I plan on making a simple free training about YouTube and how to make money on YouTube on your first day using 100% free traffic. So if you want to get an update on that, it will be out the following week. Be sure to subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and you should get an update when that training comes out. So whenever you're ready to go is you need to find your offer. So if you can't find them on Shareasale, or if you can't get to Shareasale, you can use ClickBank. So I haven't used ClickBank in a while, but you can see I still get some sales here and there because of the strategies I have used in the past. So the strategy I'm going to be showing you in this video is a strategy that you can use for any affiliate offer. You can use it for CPA offers, you can use it for sponsorships, anything you wish. It will work 100%. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find our offer. So on ClickBank, they added this CPA commission thing, which is really good, and I like it because the good thing about ClickBank is that they have lots of offers, but the downside to ClickBank is that they have very high refund rates. So you can see here is that you can filter by products that offer CPA commission. So remember, this is a step-by-step video, so be sure to stick around all the way through to the end, and I'm going to show you why this is important. So the reason why we want a CPA commission offer is that once we get paid on whatever price the person buys or pays for the product. So let's say they bought this Vita Pro one, and we get paid 170. The prices may vary. I'm not so sure. I haven't promoted these, and I don't promote health offers. So let's say we got paid $170. So that's gonna be one time, and you don't have to worry about refunds. So that's another good thing about ClickBank and CPA commission. So you don't have to worry about refunds. If they refund, you are not affected because you're paid on a CPA commission. So this is another way you can use ClickBank. I don't promote health offers, so if you don't want anything to do with health offers, you can scroll through to these pages here. So I'm sure most of the offers here are CPA, but most of them haven't yet added that to their systems as vendors. So don't worry about that. If you don't find any offer here, you can use Shareasale, you can use Impact, you can use the individual affiliate programs as well. It doesn't have necessarily to have to be a CPA offer. So let's, for this example, we're gonna choose one, and so for this example, I went over to categories in Shareasale, and I found the freebies, free stuff, rewards, programs, and they have these programs here available. So you can see there's plenty to work with at paper lead, and there's a freebie websites, rebates, cashback, all those sort of free stuff that people like. So what I would do to promote this is I would check out the website. So I found this rebates one. So of course, make sure you do your own research and ensure that you're promoting a good brand, a good website, and a good product that won't scam people or that won't send people spam emails. So I hope you get the idea. So this is the website. I'm not familiar with this website, but I hope when you're doing your research, you get familiar with it and you get some information. So the way you can know that the website is legit is you go and go over into forums, go into Quora, go into Reddit, and see what people are saying about the website. So you type in mrrebates.com, then add Reddit, add the Quora, add the forums, and see what people are saying about the website. If it's not good and most people are having complaints about the website, how they're getting scammed and all that stuff, then stay away from the product even before you apply to get approved. So the best way I would promote this is I'm going to show you a strategy that is very easy. So let me show you what we'll do. So we know that these people are giving cash back for people who use their deals to shop online. So that's the purpose of this website, to give people coupons and deals to shop online. So if you refer people here, they will pay you a specific amount, which is $1 per lead. So I'll go over to YouTube and make a video about cashback websites. So there's two ways you can make money with this very strategy. So the first strategy is to make videos about cashback websites. So you can see here the competition is low, and it can be evidenced by the number of channels, the number of subscribers on the channels that are ranking for this very keyword. So you can see 1,000 subscribers, 14,000, 7,000, 5,000. There's not a lot of subscribers. So of course, you need to find the keyword with a good volume, search volume. um you can see here smaller channels are getting views, which is good. So the best way I will promote this one is, first of all, is by listing, make a video about the cashback websites. You don't even need to be on camera like I am, and you can use the voiceover. You can hire people on Fiverr or Upwork to make the voiceovers for you. So the other way you can promote, you can make money with this strategy is showing people how to build a cashback website. So that way you can make money promoting hosting offers, and I'm going to make a video following up with this one on how I would promote hosting websites without even ranking for the keyword for the best hosting website. So stay tuned for that and subscribe if you don't want to miss out. So that's the first way I'll promote. So once I've made my video, I'll get that video link or URL, and I will promote it on other platforms. So which other platforms do I mean? So the first platform I will promote the video on is Reddit. Reddit is a really good platform if you get in front of the right audience and the right people for your product. So what do I mean by this? The best way to promote your videos on Reddit is to go into subreddits that are targeted by your video topic or your niche. So for this example, we are in the cashback, saving, and coupon websites niche, something like that. Then I would look for those similar subreddits. Of course, 9 times out of 10, you may not land on the perfect subreddit, but it's better to keep digging within other keywords related to your niche, like coupon, cashback website, something like that, on Reddit, to find those related um, subreddits. So you can see here, if I click on post, you can see that we're not allowed to create to share a link or a video, but we can create a poll and ask people a question, which cashback websites they have used, and that will give you topic ideas to make more videos about. So once you make your videos, ensure that you share your videos in the specific subreddits that allow you to share your link respectively. So if you can't do that, then if you can't find the subreddit in your niche, then you would go over onto the next step. So of course, this doesn't have to necessarily be about cashback and coupons or anything like that. It can also be for health offers or keto diet or whatever. So there's offers here on ClickBank about keto. Make a video about the popular keywords searched in the keto diet, and make the video a nice one and a helpful one, of course, and a valuable one, I mean. So make sure the video is a high quality one, and then share it on Reddit. So on Reddit here, let me show you, there's a subreddit called recipes, something like that. Recipes something. Oh, here it is. There's 2 million members, and in this subreddit you are allowed to share video links and URL. So you can see here you're allowed to share a link. So ensure that your video is a high quality video so you can build your YouTube channel about recipes by just getting traffic from Reddit. I hope you get the idea. There's 2 million members here and 238 are online right now. So this is a very good strategy you can use. Ensure the video is high quality and has valuable content in it. Once the video is poor quality, robotic voices, people won't engage with it and it will get downvoted. The moderators may even delete it once it's not getting engagement in the subreddit. So I hope you get the idea. So if you don't want to do the CPA route, you can do the affiliate marketing route, that way. So another way you can promote your video is using Quora. But before I get into that, I'll link up a video here in the card. Go and watch the video. It will show you how to use this Reddit strategy effectively. I've made a video in the past showing exactly how you can do that. So let's move on to the next strategy and the bonus as I promised. So let's say we made our video about cashback websites, keto diet. Type in that into Quora and find questions related to your video topic. Answer 3 to 4 questions every single day, and you should be getting organic views, external views from Quora. And it's the good thing about Quora is that it's long term. The views you keep on getting from Quora are gonna keep on compounding over time and increasing, so therefore getting you that watch time. So the best way you would monetize your YouTube channel is going to be by affiliate marketing, and that way using ClickBank, using Shareasale, using Impact Radius, whatever affiliate network you're familiar with. So Quora is really effective because when you're answering the questions, it allows every answer to get an opportunity to get seen. So you should really stand out by adding an image on top of your answer. So you can see this person is doing the exact same thing that I'm recommending. Add an image at the top of your answer. So I hope you get the idea. Don't mind about the number of views. If the question is not getting views in the first couple of days or weeks, it will compound over time. So if you want to know how to find the right questions to answer, is I'm gonna leave a link on the screen, a video on the screen right now, or in the card right now, so you can watch that video. It will show you exactly how to find the right questions to answer on Quora. So hit on that video on the screen right now and it will take you to that very video. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.